Today I'm going to be using the Classico Espresso coffee beans. They have a balanced body of a delicate acidity and chocolatey afternotes. Once you have perfected your grind and dose level and adjusted the temperature settings according to your beans, it is very quick and easy to make your favourite espresso. Simply press the ×2 button for a double dose and then place your portafilter into the coffee mill outlet, and the Prestigio will automatically begin grinding at your pre-selected dose level. Then, using the lever on the Smart Tamp station, firmly pull down, and whilst keeping the lever down, remove the portafilter. Look how flat and even that tamp is. Next, insert the portafilter into the coffee brew head, and using the coffee grill, place your espresso glasses underneath. Turn the dial to espresso and press the OK button to begin the extraction. And there you have it, a beautifully rich crema and a perfectly balanced espresso. The coffee recipe on the Prestigio has been created to make a longer, lighter flavoured coffee. It's perfect for single origin, 100% Arabica blends, or any coffee poured over ice in the summer. To make my coffee, I'm using the Cafe Crema 100% Arabica beans. They have a sweet and caramel flavour, which is balanced by a light acidity. I've prepared my dose and inserted the portafilter into the coffee brew head. I simply place my glass underneath, turn the dial to the coffee selection and press the OK button. Delicious. I really love an Americano. It can be a single or double espresso shot topped with hot water to create a delicious long coffee. I prefer mine as a double shot. To make my Americano, I'm using the Cafe Crema 100% Arabica beans. They have a sweet and caramel flavour, which is balanced by a light acidity. The Specialista Prestigio makes it so simple. After preparing the perfect dose and placing the portafilter into the coffee brew head, place your glass under the portafilter and hot water spout. Next, set the recipe dial to Americano, then press the OK button. The espresso delivers first, immediately followed by the fresh hot water. If you press the ×2 button, it will make a double shot of espresso and add more hot water. That has a beautiful floral aroma. With La Specialista, you can deliver hot water on its own, perfect if you like herbal teas. Here, we're infusing a lovely green tea, and we will stop delivery when we're ready. It's important to know you shouldn't deliver hot water for more than 60 seconds at a time. My handy barista tip here is you can also use the hot water tap to rinse the filter basket between coffees to make sure that the basket is clean for the next coffee. Just make sure you wipe the basket dry before placing it in the grinding station. This function is for recipes on the dial, not for the hot water function or the steam wand. You may want to change the volume of the beverage because you have a favourite cup size or for a favourite length of extraction of your favourite espresso. To find the maximum volume of the beverage recipe can be set to, please refer to your user manual included in the box. When setting this up, you need to actually make the beverage, as this will give you the most accuracy when in use. Prepare the appliance to deliver the beverage you want to make, prepare the coffee dose, and attach the portafilter to the coffee outlet. You can choose to change the volumes of any of the free recipes. I'm going to change the espresso volume, so I will turn the dial to the espresso recipe. Get yourself a cup to enjoy your drink from. I'm going to use the DeLonghi espresso glass, then place it under the coffee brew head and press the My button. The light corresponding to the OK button comes on steadily and the light corresponding to the My button flashes. Press the OK button to start delivering the beverage. the lights corresponding to the OK button and the My buttons flash, and when you've reached the desired quantity of the beverage, press the OK button again. Press the My button to save the new setting. The appliance is ready for use again and the My button remains on. If you do not want to save the new setting, press any other button. And now, you enjoy the drink you've made just how you like it.